Hi, we are doing logarithm. If a square is log x, b cube is log y, and 3a square minus 2b cube is equal to 6 log z, express y in terms of x and z. So what is given? The values of a square and b cube is given. And the relationship is given, that is 3a square minus 2b cube is 6 log z. We'll substitute the value of a square and b cube in this. So this will become 3 log x minus b cube is log y. 2 log y is equal to 6 log z. Now what we will use? We will use the law of the log. That is n log a is log a raised to the power n. So this will become log x cube, the 3 will go as a cube, minus log y square, 2 will go as a square of y, is equal to log z raised to the power 6. Now what we will do, again use the law of the log, use the law, that is log a minus log b is log a by b. Fine. So this will become log, this is log a and this is log b, x cube by y square is equal to log z raised to the power 6. Now we know that log this some value is equal to log of some value, the values become same, that is x cube by y square is equal to z raised to the power 6. Now we have to find y in terms of x and z. So we will take y to the other side and let z come here. So this will become x cube by z raised to the power 6 is equal to y square. Now y square is this, so we want the value of y. So what we will do, we will square root the both the side. So when you square root both the side, the power becomes, square root means the power is half. So y square into half. This will become y. Same way x cube will have a power of half and z6 will have a power of half. So this will become 3 and x will be 3 by 2 and z raised to the power 3 is equal to y. This will have a positive as well as negative value. But we will take only the positive value, because if we take negative value, what will happen? Log, what is y? Y is 2 log y. Log y will become negative. If we take negative value, log y will become negative, which is not defined, because negative log is not defined, which is not defined. Therefore, out of plus minus, we will take only the positive value of y, that is plus x raised to the power 3 by 2 upon z to the power 3. Fine, we will not take the negative value. You can write here that if we take negative value, log y, what is log y? Because here it was log y. So log y will become negative, that is not defined. So y is only the positive value of x 3 by 2 z raised to the power 3. Fine. And y, because if you have 4, square root निकालते हैं 4 का, then it becomes plus minus 2. Both the values are taken, plus 2 as well as minus 2. But we take, here we will take only the plus value, because if we take the negative value, the log will become negative, which is not defined.